It's time 3 to 12. Wow. 3 to 12 for this week.
No, actually that's my shift.
Permanent shift. Wow. But only for a weekday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday off.
Okay, if daily. Oh. No evening activity at all. Back home, then sleep at 3. No, directly sleep lah. Okay lah. Or else your time will be upside down.